to make the Microsoft PowerPoint designer function work, um, you have to remove this type of image with text with image formats. This is a text with image format, so whenever this is presented, the designer function won't work. As soon as you remove the text with image, then the designer function can generate your design ideas. That is how this works. Like this image, if I click, then this will change my slide according to this design, and then if I paste my the cutted form of text as image, then this will create a completely new designed slide.